going fawn hunting, Central Oklahoma. We got like 7 or 8 guys going this morning, so it should be interesting. So y'all stay tuned.
We got those 3 there. We got 3 over here.
Oh.
Nice shot. You better ever go get it. It's taking over. Got that one. Watch him. Yeah. One on the left is. He's dead, he's dead. I don't think that's... Here, hold that up. Nice. Hold him up.
Look at him. Yeah, that's like right.
Good girl, come on.
Shot 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. How many we got?
Tanner's got 2, you got 3, I got 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Logan's got 1, 7. Then we got 3 in the... So we got 10. Here, just throw him right there.
Amber.
Go.
Nice.
I'm going down. I got a 4. Hold on, don't. Well, maybe. I don't know.
Is he dead? Yeah, he's dead.
This one over here.
Hey, someone better shoot him. Unless your dog gets her. He freaking skid like a rock.
Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it.
Got him.
Oh,
Shoot those.
Take him.
Nice. Got him.
He's got the leash on. Bring it here. Go get it. Hey, we saw that other seal. Right in front of me.
That's a killdee.
Bring it here, Amber.
Got him.
Get the dang duck, you dang.
Shoot him.
Good
shot.
Man.
Nice.
Him. Search.
Let him get close. Let him get close.
Hold on.
Take those if you want one. Nice.
Bring it here. Girl, bring it here. Big old mallard.
Let him come, let him come, let him come.
Kimber.
Shoot those.
Oh, Logan.
Shoot those up.
Fuck, I got it.
Here, hold those out real quick. Nice. 3 more.
Amber brought all 3 of those back.
Yep. Shoot him if you want him. Yeah, I'll shoot him. Take him.
1, 2, 3.
Got him. Bears.
He's done.
He's done.
Oh no, he's still alive. He got it.
Shoot that
Take
one.
that one.
Nice.
Hold it up. Splash down.
That was a hell of a shot there.
Amber, search. Blind dog.
Hold him up. Nice. It's probably got us close to 20. Ish. Move to. Move to. Sweet. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Nice. Got 2 of the 3. You better watch that one, Logan. Flex. There you go. Better shoot quick.
Yeah, I got one.
Shoot it. Better stop shooting.
Yeah.
Shoot him on the water right there. Shoot that.
Take him. Nice. Shit, I'll eat mallard. It's good meat.
Well, you got him.
Bands?
I can tell you.
Oh, now you get it.
Oh.
The sunlight.
I want to take a photo with them before you go. Bad juju.
I've eaten a beaver before, but bad juju.
Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him, man.
Why is no one else shooting?
Oh, Logan literally just missed that teal that was like 10 yards in front of us.
And then I smoked.
And then he smokes a mallard that I didn't get on video. That
Yep.
he's sitting right out
Amber.
there.
Oh, we're still kicking.
Dang, that's a big old mallard. Very nice.
Thought I better make sure he's gonna be dead when
Wind dies down, we might, but I think we probably got. Is it,
Do you want the Gatorade?
No, the Rockstar.
Okay,
what do you have to say about yourself?
I'm sorry, I
I
redeemed myself.
Bull crap, I hit that.
You didn't shoot that mother.
Wait. Shoot those. Good shot. Watch him. They're gonna come right over us. Got one. Got him. We got 2 of them. And that's all she wrote, probably, boys. That was a good way to end it.
You would. Well, the shooting light's over. That's the last 2 of the day. There's ducks right here. What is that? Mallard?
Yeah.
I think that's a gadwall. 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 What do you think, Joe?
Oh, this is good.
Hey, that was good. I told you it was a gadwall.
Drop it.
Hold it up.
Hey, drop it. Good girl. Good girl. Daddy.
I don't know my luck boots a long time ago. Look at all the ducks, man. We're 20 minutes to.
Oh, yeah. Everywhere. Well, we're about to get out of here. There's birds landing on this pond. If y'all enjoyed, please give us a like, subscribe. We should have a lot more videos. There are birds everywhere. Anyway, we shot
little over 30 birds between 9 of us, so it's a good day. Thanks for watching.